Good evening and welcome to the UCR School of Medicine Awards event. I'm Pablo Ho. I'm the Interim Senior Associate Dean of Medical Education and your Master of Ceremonies for this evening. To begin our program, we would like to respectfully acknowledge and recognize our responsibilities to the original and current caretakers of this land, water, and air, the Cahuilla, Tongva, Luiseño, and Serrano peoples, and all of their descendants past, present, and future. Today, this place is home to many Indigenous peoples from all over the world, including UCR faculty, students, and staff. We are grateful to have the opportunity to live and work on these homelands. And now please join me in welcoming the Vice Chancellor for Health Sciences and the Mark and Pam Rubin Dean of the School of Medicine, Dr. Deborah Dees.
Thank you, Dr. Ho. Good evening. It is such a pleasure to be with you this evening as we celebrate our outstanding faculty, staff, and medical students for their contributions to medical education and for their academic achievements. This has been an extraordinary year for the medical school, and we would not have achieved so much without each and every one of you. To our faculty and staff, your commitment to the school greatly enriches the curriculum and the learning environment. Through your efforts, our medical students receive the highest education as they prepare to become the physicians of tomorrow. Several of our students are joining us this evening, and I know they join me in thanking you for all you do. I've heard many amazing stories about the great work our faculty are doing, from recruiting fellow physicians for LACE to providing quality guidance and instruction to each of our students. Securing the environments where our students learn and train would be quite a difficult task were it not for the efforts of our talented staff, working so diligently to ensure that students are assigned to affiliate sites that are committed to the education of our students. As you know, our school is continually growing, and we need more physicians and staff like you who are committed to the education and training of our students and want to make a difference in our community. Your support is vital to the mission of the School of Medicine, and we are so grateful for your commitment. Tonight, we also recognize several of our medical students for their distinguished academic achievements and for their embodiment of our school's mission and values. I am so proud of each of the student awardees. They persevered through an incredibly difficult time over the last couple of years. They faced challenges that none of us could have anticipated and thrived in spite of those challenges. I also want to recognize the many students who stepped up to support our community. Thanks to all of you who volunteered at free clinics and donated your time in activities of service. The students, staff, and faculty from our medical school embody my favorite African proverb: if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. I know we will continue to go far together. Thank you.
Thank you, Dean Dees. So we are so pleased to have you all joining us this evening for our award event. This particular event is honoring our students, staff, and faculty. It is important to us as an institution to express how grateful we are to all of you for your service and perseverance. Those of you who are being recognized this evening will be receiving a physical award at a later date. I would like to take a minute to recognize the various faculty members joining us this evening. So we would like to thank the pre-clerkship faculty, the LACE faculty, the clerkship faculty, and the public health faculty. We would like to acknowledge our faculty in the Teaching Excellence Academy who have committed to promote teaching excellence at the School of Medicine. There are so many of our outstanding faculty to recognize, and this is still just a fraction of the faculty it takes to teach all of our students. We now have more than 1,000 faculty teaching in our programs. I thank you all for your service. We couldn't do this without you or the many staff members who assist us in our mission daily. Now we will move on to the awards portion of our evening. We will be honoring faculty, staff, and students who have made significant contributions to our program and who exemplify our mission to improve the health and the lives of the individuals in inland Southern California. Recipients of these awards were chosen by a student-led nominating committee and faculty mentors and preceptors. To begin presenting awards, I would like to introduce Dr. Kendrick Davis, Associate Dean for Assessment and Evaluation.
Thank you, Dr. Ho, and good evening, family. The Student Affairs Unit leads the Careers in Medicine program, which helps our students with mentoring and advising as they plan their pathway to residency. Our faculty volunteers have been incredible with helping students make vital decisions for their future in medicine. It is my honor to present this award to an individual who has been instrumental in our mentoring program. For outstanding support to careers in medicine, I'd like to recognize Dr. Nathan McLaughlin, Associate Clinical Professor of Health Sciences in the Department of Family Medicine. Dr. McLaughlin practices at Riverside University Health System, and we are so grateful for his exceptional engagement as a mentor and leader. Next, I would like to invite our LACE program coordinator, Ms. Patty Walker, my girl, to present the awards for LACE. Patty.
Thank you, Dr. Davis. I am pleased to present the awards to our outstanding LACE faculty and students. LACE, the longitudinal ambulatory care experience, is a vital part of our curriculum in the first 3 years and requires a significant amount of time and dedication of our faculty partners. I'd like to thank all our LACE faculty for your contributions. First, we will recognize our outstanding LACE students. These students are distinguished themselves in their preceptors' placements through their dedication and personification of the UCR School of Medicine values. Our awardees are Joey Abadia, class of 2023. Congratulations. Erin Fitchner, class of 2024. And Judy Pham, class of 2025. Congratulations, students. Next, we will recognize our outstanding LACE faculty as selected by the medical student classes. These faculties are demonstrated extraordinary commitment to helping our students become exceptional clinicians. Our awardee recipients are Dr. Debbie Tran, community faculty member in internal medicine. Dr. Tran practices at Kaiser Permanente Riverside and was selected by the class of 2025 for being an exceptional LACE doctor. Dr. Sandra Paniawa, community faculty member in pediatrics. Dr. Paniawa practices at Kaiser Permanente Riverside and was selected by the class of 2024 as an outstanding LACE preceptor. And Dr. Tony Lee, community faculty in family medicine. Dr. Lee practices at Kaiser Permanente, Fontana, and San Bernardino and was selected for the Outstanding LACE Faculty Award by the class of 2023. Congratulations.
Thank you, Patty. We will now recognize our students for their exemplary practice improvement projects, otherwise known as PIPs. These are projects where students propose, implement, and evaluate innovative approaches to improving clinical practice and care in ambulatory settings. the students present their projects at our annual Quality Improvement Conference. Our first Outstanding PIP Award goes to Mutahir Farhan, class of 2022, with his project, Use of TikTok as an Educational Tool for Type 1 Diabetes. And just as a plug, I'm his mentor, but I did not vote. I recused myself. Our next Outstanding PIP Award goes to Marisol Garcia, class of 2023. Her project is entitled Decrease Medication Errors and Improve Medication Compliancy through Medication Reconciliation Amongst Hispanic Patients. Congratulations. And congratulations to both of our students. I now invite my brother, Dr. Byron Ford, Associate Dean for Pre-clerkship Curriculum, to present the awards for our pre-clerkship program as selected by medical student classes. Dr. Ford.
Thank you, my friend, Dr. Davis. And it is my pleasure to present awards for our outstanding pre-clerkship faculty. The pre-clerkship faculty play an important role in the first 2 years of medical education by providing a strong foundation for students in medical science, problem solving, and clinical skills. So our first award is for the Outstanding Pre-clerkship Instructor. And that is Dr. Chris Lytle, Associate Professor of Biomedical Sciences, who was selected by the class of 2024 and 2025. Congratulations, Dr. Lytle. And next is Dr. Nicholas D. Patrizio, who's an Assistant Professor in Biomedical Sciences, who was selected by the classes of 2024 and 2025. Congratulations, Nick. Next, we recognize our outstanding doctoring instructors, and the awards go to Dr. Rebecca Gavan, Assistant Clinical Professor, Health Sciences, who was selected by the class of 2025. Congratulations, Dr. Gavan. And to Dr. Catherine Warner, Assistant Clinical Professor, Health Sciences, Obstetrics and Gynecology, who was selected by the class of 2024. Congratulations to the both of you. And next, we want to recognize our two outstanding case-based learning instructors. And they are Lavinia Mitroy, who is a member of the class of 2022 and was selected by the class of 2025. Congratulations. And also to Dr. Rosanna Jawar, community-based clinical faculty member who was selected by the class of 2024. Congratulations to both of you. Our next award, we have two outstanding clinical skills instructors to recognize, and they are Dr. Nathan McLaughlin, Associate Clinical Professor of Health Sciences in the Department of Family Medicine, who was selected by the class of 2025, and also Dr. Rebecca Gavan, Assistant Clinical Professor of Health Sciences, who was selected by the class of 2024. Congratulations, Nate and Rebecca. And our final award in the pre-clerkship category is for Outstanding Standardized Patient. I'd like to take this opportunity to remind everyone how important standardized patients are in our students' learning experience. Their efforts and feedback help our students learn from the patient perspective and help to shape future physicians who are both excellent diagnosticians and also compassionate patient advocates. The award for Outstanding Standardized Patient goes to Ted Puffer. And Ted has provided our students with meaningful engagement and feedback and continues to excel with every new class of students. Congratulations, Ted. And with that, I will now turn this back over to our esteemed colleague, Dr. Kendrick Davis.
Thank you, Dr. Ford. Congratulations, everyone. Now, I'm pleased to present our outstanding clerkship instructors and students. The clerkship program is a vital part of our medical education curriculum and provides our students with hands-on practice at our partner hospitals and medical centers. These award recipients were selected by the class of 2023. Outstanding Emergency Medicine Clerkship Instructor, Dr. Samuel Zidovetsky, Assistant Clinical Professor of Health Sciences, practicing at Riverside Community Hospital. Another one of my brothers. Go say it. Outstanding Family Medicine Clerkship Instructor, Dr. Indira Marian Gowda, Assistant Clinical Professor. Go, Dr. Gowda. Outstanding Internal Medicine Instructor, Clerkship Instructor, Dr. Rabi Gulati, another brother, Associate Dean of Graduate Medical Education, participating at Riverside Community Hospital. Congratulations. Outstanding Obstetrics Gynecology Clerkship Instructor, Dr. Corinne Jones, Community-Based Clinical Faculty, practicing at Kaiser. Congratulations, Corinne. Outstanding Pediatrics Clerkship Instructor, Dr. Jean Russell, Assistant Clinical Professor of Health Sciences, practicing at UCR Health Coachella Valley Pediatric Center. Outstanding Psychiatry Clerkship Instructor, my girl, Dr. Jamie Woods, Assistant Clinical Professor of Health Sciences, Department of Psychiatry and Neurosciences. My home. Outstanding Surgery Clerkship Instructor, Dr. Ahmed Mahmood, Community-Based Clinical Faculty at Riverside Community Hospital. Excellent job, Dr. Mahmood. Additionally, I'd like to present the Outstanding Block in Clerkship Director to Dr. Mallory Stuparich, that's my sister right there, Assistant Clinical Professor of Health Sciences, Clerkship Director MS3s and MS4s, and Co-Director of MS1 Block 3. That's a lot. I would also like to recognize an outstanding public health faculty, my sister, Dr. Ann Cheney, Associate Professor of Department of Social Medicine, Population and Public Health, and member of the Center for Healthy Communities. Excellent work, Dr. Cheney. And finally, I would like to recognize a couple of outstanding clerkship students as selected by the faculty for their demonstration of school medicine values. Priya Rajan, class of 2023. Excellent work, Priya. Keep on the street medicine too. Alvin Chan, class of 2023. Great work, Alvin. Congratulations, everyone. It is now my pleasure to introduce Linda Ryman, Chief of Staff and Assistant Dean of Strategic Initiatives. Take us home, Linda.
Thank you, Dr. Davis. It is my honor to present the awards to recognize staff that have made significant contributions to our medical students' experience. We all know we could not achieve the mission of the UCR School of Medicine without the diligent work of our phenomenal staff. Class years 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025 selected staff members for each of the following categories who have positively contributed to their experiences in medical education. I'd like to start with the award for outstanding pre-clerkship staff, which goes to Michelle Muazi, Medical Education Coordinator. We will miss Michelle, are sorry to see her go to East Texas, but we anticipate she will bring some of her UCR School of Medicine along with the School of Medicine spirit along with her. Thank you, Michelle. Next, I'd like to present the award for outstanding clerkship staff, and we have two awardees here. The first is Kathleen Whitty, who is recognized for her outstanding organization, attention to details, and her extensive knowledge of fourth-year clerkships, which is much appreciated by our students. Thank you and congratulations, Kathleen. And next, I'd like to recognize fellow presenter, Patty Walker, LACE Program Coordinator. Patty is appreciated for her energy, her availability, and for her impressive advocacy for our students. The next award is for Outstanding Student Affairs Staff. It is my great pleasure to recognize Alejandra Torres, who is loved for being a tremendous source of support to our students, a confidant, and a friend when needed. Thank you, Alejandra. Great picture, by the way, too. I also want to recognize the award for Outstanding General Staff Member, and that goes to Amanda Smith, Director of Medical Student Support and Wellness. Amanda is recognized for her devotion to wellness and for her promoting healthy choices for our students, and not only for our students, but for our faculty and staff as well, making a broad impact across our institution. Thank you, Amanda. And now I will turn the program back over to Dr. Ho.
So ladies and gentlemen, please join me in congratulating all our award recipients this evening. It has been a truly remarkable year, and our students, faculty, and staff have continued to perform exceptionally. Please feel free to write your congratulations in the chat or comment on the UCR School of Medicine social media channels. This concludes our program for this evening. Thank you for joining us remotely and for your continued commitment to the School of Medicine. Have a great evening.